Northeast United fans, our reign of goal in the Durand Cup.
जादोंबो जादों गदबा जाबाय नै सयथिबो 6 गल दुखुनांथाव खौरां बड'लेण्ड एफसिआ 6 गलावहाय जेनबाय आरो नर्थ इस्ट इउनाइटेड एफसिआ 6 गलावहाय देरहानो हाबाय दा बेवहाय गोबां दुखु मोनदों जोंबो दुखु मोनदों आरो खिन्थु खेलायावहाय जेननाय देरहानाय थाखायो बेखौ नार्भास लानो लाब गैया ट्राइ एगेन नङा होनब्ला दा जेननायानो देरहानाय होननाय दङमोन थांनाय बोसोराव देरहाया मालाय मा जानो देग्लाय देरहाया मालाय मा जानो जोंहा सानसेल' देरहागोन नङा होनब्ला दा जेनदोंब्लाबो दुखु खालामनाङा सानसेब्लासो देरहागोन आरोखि गरनै जाजेनबाय गरनै
looking for the curler, so much curl that the keeper couldn't collect it.
Yeah, they're trying everything. It's a brilliant shot, that is. The curler didn't come in, the ball swerved and dipped in front of the goalkeeper, but he was allowed to punch that ball away.
Rituraj. Feels like good old days with Redeem as a... Oh, nice touch. Acharve is on. Acharve is through.
गरथाम जाबाय नै बड'लेण्ड एफसिआ गरथाम
Here too.
नर्थ इस्ट इउनाइटेड एफसिजों
Strength and speed enhanced. He's still the same Aladdin Acharve that Northeast United fans used to love. And he's just showing reasons why they love him so much. 3-0 now it looks like. The scoreline expected.
गरथाम जाजेनबाय रायजोफोर
Make a mistake and you get punished. And this man is the end of that punishment. He just slaps that ball right into the goal, throws the goalkeepers out. What a strike that is.
थेवब्लाबो नार्भास खालामनाङा
Every person on the field loves the way he plays. He went back from India, came back, and what has he done? He scored 2 more goals here. What an entertainer he is for the football in India, especially in this region. The way they celebrate is amazing to watch.
McCartan was on the build-up again in the Durand Cup.
जादोंबो जादों गदबा जाबाय नै सयथिबो
5-0. And just the sheer difference with him on your side.
गदबा जाबाय नै
It was like a
बड'लेण्ड
trap
एफसिआ
for Bodoland.
थांनाय बोसोराव साबसिन जोदोंमोन
Northeast United, and then on the counter,
दाथ' माबा
just
लावखार
put that
खेलाया
ball
साबसिन
to
गेलेबाय
Acharya. Look at him. He dribbles past the defender so easily and then keeps his composure so well, so that the advancing goalkeeper has got no chance. Look at him. So quick, so fast to release that ball before the goalkeeper makes his attempt, and that celebration is what the fans want.
Keeps leveling up every time he touches the ground like that. What a player to have for Northeast United, an asset really. We've been comparing the total number of goals scored in the Durand Cup this year and previous edition, but one thing which we have seen a lot of is hat-tricks. The third hat-trick of this edition of the Durand Cup. Rainier Fernandez first, PB Vishnu last night, and here's Aladdin Acharve with his.
Hoygor
Northeastern side of the country. 8 states, 1 united, they say, and that is what united football looks like. They play as a team, and they make opponents suffer.
लावखार खेला गेलेग्राफ्रा साबसिन जाखोदो प्लेयारफ्रालाय
But this is the combination that comes. Look at
ओंखायनो
that.
बर'फ्रानो जोजोबनाय
Unselfish,
साबसिन
like you said. Just diagonally gives the ball back. 3 defenders in front of him. He squeezes that ball so brilliantly. The goalkeeper's got no chance. Neither does Bodo know what is happening over here.
So soothing to watch for the thousands who have come to the stadium to support the Highlanders. 4 minutes were added on before that goal. Ajare was involved in the build-up again, and